When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners in Palmetto Bay often focus on updating kitchens, bathrooms, or landscaping. While these projects can certainly add value and aesthetic appeal to a home, one of the most impactful changes you can make is something that's often overlooked: door replacement. Replacing old, worn-out doors is a simple yet powerful way to boost your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall security. For residents of Palmetto Bay, a community nestled in sunny South Florida, door replacement offers even more benefits due to the region's unique climate and lifestyle needs. Enhancing curb appeal. In Palmetto Bay, first impressions are everything. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors, the appearance of your front door plays a crucial role in curb appeal. A new, stylish front door can instantly elevate the look of your home, making it stand out in a neighborhood that's known for its picturesque streets and well-maintained homes. Choosing a modern design with a high-quality finish not only adds sophistication to your entryway but also reflects your home's overall aesthetic. With so many options available, including fiberglass, steel, and wood, Palmetto Bay residents can select a door that complements their home's architecture while offering durability and resistance to the elements. Improved energy efficiency. In the tropical climate of Palmetto Bay, where temperatures can soar and humidity is high, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce their utility bills. Old doors, especially those with gaps, cracks, or worn weather stripping, can lead to significant heat transfer, making it harder for your air conditioning system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. A properly installed, energy-efficient door can help keep the hot, humid air outside where it belongs. Energy-efficient doors are typically made with materials that provide superior insulation, such as foam core or thermal breaks. Many of these doors also feature advanced weather stripping and tight seals, ensuring that your home remains cool in the summer without overworking your HVAC system. Not only does this save money on energy bills, but it also reduces your home's carbon footprint, a benefit that's important for environmentally conscious residents of Palmetto Bay. Enhanced security. Security is a top concern for homeowners everywhere, and Palmetto Bay is no exception. Whether you're concerned about break-ins or simply want to feel more secure in your home, a new door can provide the protection you need. Older doors, particularly wooden ones, can become weakened over time, leaving them vulnerable to forced entry. Replacing your door with a solid, high-quality model made from steel or fiberglass adds an extra layer of security. Many modern doors are equipped with multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and shatter-resistant glass, making it much more difficult for intruders to break in. For Palmetto Bay residents who value peace of mind, investing in a new door can significantly improve your home's overall safety. Increase in property value. In addition to improving the look, energy efficiency, and security of your home, replacing doors is a smart investment that can increase the resale value of your property. In a competitive real estate market like Palmetto Bay, where homes are often priced higher due to the desirable location, adding value through home improvements is crucial. A new door is a relatively low-cost improvement with a high return on investment. Buyers are often drawn to homes with modern, well-maintained entryways, and a stylish, secure door can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Whether you're selling soon or just want to increase your property value over time, door replacement is an upgrade that's sure to pay off. Better protection against the elements. Florida's climate is known for its extreme weather conditions, from heavy rain and high winds during hurricane season to the constant exposure to sun and salt air. This can take a toll on doors, especially those that are not designed to withstand the harsh elements. Over time, exposure to moisture can lead to wood doors warping, rotting, or becoming damaged. A new, weather-resistant door is essential for protecting your home from the elements. For those living in Palmetto Bay, choosing a door that meets Florida's stringent building codes for wind resistance is particularly important. Many modern doors are built to withstand high winds and moisture, offering superior protection during storm season and ensuring your home remains safe and dry. Conclusion. For Palmetto Bay residents looking to enhance their homes, door replacement is a simple yet transformative home improvement project. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and increasing property value, replacing old or outdated doors can bring immediate and long-lasting benefits. By choosing a high-quality, weather-resistant door tailored to Florida's climate, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and aesthetically pleasing home for years to come. Whether you're upgrading your front entryway or replacing interior doors, this is one home improvement that should be at the top of your list.